We are to the quiz section for project management. We have 6 questions. Number 1, what are some of the entries a contractor might include in a daily project log? This is that daily project log kept in the job shack, probably by the foreman and the super. A, subcontractors' activities, progress photos, and weather conditions. B, supervisor's personal comments. C, contract negotiations with the property owner. D, liability and surety bond certificates. Choose an answer. Number 1, what are some of the entries a contractor might include in a daily project log? It's A, the subcontractor's activities, progress photos, and weather conditions. Make sure your progress photos are date stamped. 2, what are some of the records that contractors use to back up their status reports? And we had a daily log, and then we've got a status report. Choose one answer. A, punch lists and customer complaints. B, purchase orders, change orders, daily log entries. C, notes from a pre-bid meeting. D, correspondence with carpet mail reps. Okay, number 2, what are some of the records that contractors use to back up their status reports? We're looking here for B, purchase orders, change orders, and daily log entries. Number 3, what defines value engineering? Now, you haven't heard a thing about value engineering, but here's what it looks like. Okay, the project manager and the general contractor are meeting with the owner. The owner comes in and says to the project manager and the general contractor, if you guys can finish this project 1 week early, I will give you a bonus. Now, the project manager is going to use a thing called value engineering to work with that request. That's value engineering. So, what defines value engineering? A, it is an approach to project management that emphasizes the owner's priorities. B, its purpose is to help contractors solve problems. C, part of its design is to help the project manager understand the contractor. D, it is necessary when a bonus is awarded for coming in under budget. Okay, answer. What defines value engineering? A, it is an approach to project management that emphasizes the owner's priorities. You might have picked D, it's necessary when a bonus is awarded for coming in under budget, because I mentioned that. But value engineering is actually the technique that is the approach to project management that emphasizes the owner's priorities. That's what it is. You use it for many requests. Number 4, what is one of the principal duties of a project manager? What is one of the principal duties of a project manager? A, implementation and review of punch lists. B, supervision of work crews completing daily tasks. C, inspect task sites. D, communicate with property owner. Number 4, what is one of the principal duties of a project manager? Answer D, to communicate with the property owner. Number 5, what can improve the credibility of a daily log? What can make it something that you can rely on? Choose one answer. A, entries need to be written with a pen. No pencils and no alterations. B, include comments and observations. C, include project photographs without date stamps. D, make sure the report for each day is completed 2 times per week. Okay, number 5. What can improve the credibility, the trustworthiness of a daily log? Answer A, entries need to be written with the pen. No pencils and no alterations. Now, if you saw a daily log and it was erased and crossed out and tons of changes were made to it, how could you rely on that? So it's got to be written in pen, no pencils, and no alterations. Number 6, what is a project management factor that guarantees a positive outcome? Oh, we wish we could guarantee a positive outcome. What is the answer? A, understanding the big picture. B, avoiding blame for problems. C, adopting a wait-and-see attitude. D, limiting customer involvement. Okay, number 6. What is a project management factor that guarantees a positive outcome? I want to pick limiting customer involvement, but that's not the answer. It's A, understanding the big picture and keeping calm and carrying on.